to Math Challenge 321, and these types of questions are important for Olympiads and all competitive examinations, including railway staff selection, banking recruitment, and public service exams. Here we have an equation: x power 1 by 2 minus x power 1 by 3 is equal to 4, where x is a real number. X is a real number. X power half minus x power 1 by 3 is equal to 4. That is the same thing as saying square root of x minus cube root of x is equal to 4. Let us see how quickly we can solve it using the short trick method. So here we go. So the first thing is to clear off the fractional exponents. The fractional exponents 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, and the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we suppose x is equal to y power 6. X is equal to y power 6, then we will see that the fractional coefficients can be removed. So x power half will be y power 6 whole power half. The exponents are multiplied, so we get y power 3. Similarly, x power 1 by 3, that is y power 6 whole power 1 by 3, that will give you y power 2. So the equation becomes y power 3 minus y power 2 is equal to 4. So by supposing x is equal to y power 6, we have actually got rid of fractional exponents. So now we solve the equation. Y power 3 minus y power 2 is equal to 4. Remember that we need only the integer solution. We put x power 6 is equal to y. All the fractional powers were removed, and we got y power 3 minus y power 2 equal to 4. Now this can be solved in two ways. We shall show you both the ways side by side. This can be solved by two methods. So let us see how we can solve the equation y power 3 minus y square is equal to 4. We have shown two different methods to solve the equation y power 3 minus y power 2 equal to 4. In one, we make both the sides similar in format. For instance, y power 3 minus y square can be written as y square into y minus 1. And 4 is 2 square into 2 minus 1. So compare y square into y minus 1 is 2 square into 2 minus 1. So by comparing, we can say y is equal to 2. That is the first method, easier method. But there is one more method, a more formal method. We factorize. So what we do? We factorize y3 minus y2 equal to 4. So y3 minus. Now minus y square is written as minus 2y square plus y square. So we get y3 minus y square, that we write as y3 minus 2y square plus y square. And there is no term y, so we write 0y. 0y can be written as minus 2y plus 2y, and minus 4 is there. So we get y power 3 minus 2y square plus y square minus 2y plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we group in pairs as we have indicated by red dotted lines. We group in pairs. So y3 minus 2y square gives you y square common into y minus 2. Y square minus 2y gives you y common into y minus 2. And 2y minus 4 gives you 2 into y minus 4. Y minus 2, sorry. That is equal to 0. So y square into y minus 2 plus y into y minus 2 plus 2 into y minus 2 equal to 0. Now take out y minus 2 out as common factor. So y minus 2 taking out as common factor, y minus 2 into y square plus y plus 2 equal to 0. That is y equal to 2. From y minus 2 equal to 0, we get y equal to 2. And for the other part, y square plus y plus 2, note that the discriminant is negative. b square minus 4ac is negative. So that will give you an imaginary solution. And since we needed only the real value of x and real value of y, so we take y minus 2 equal to 0, that is y equal to 2. So we got y equal to 2. I mean, that is only a real solution. The other solution was imaginary. The real value was y equal to 2, but y power 6 is x. We suppose that x is equal to y power 6. So if y is equal to 2, then x would be equal to 2 power 6 or 64. So x is equal to 64. You can check. 64 power half, that is square root of 64, 8, minus 64 power 1 by 3, cube root of 64, that is 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. That means the equation is satisfied. So the value of x is 64. So that was the easy method for solving instead of the complicated fractional exponent. When you say x is equal to y power 6, then we clear off the fractional exponents and then we can solve easily either by factorization or by comparing the two, making the two sides into a similar form and then compare it.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.